The data on the tablet shows a minor fluctuation.
I see it. It's still within the acceptable range, but let's monitor it closely.
Brake response looks excellent.
Data confirms stability at maximum deceleration.
Watch the clearance on the right.
Okay, hold it right there. Looks perfect.
ये गाड़ी न सिर्फ बेहतरीन परफॉर्मेंस देती है, बल्कि इसका इंटीरियर डिजाइन भी टॉप नॉच है।
We obsess over every millimeter. It's this level of detail that defines true luxury and craftsmanship.
The predictive model for the Level 5 system is stabilizing.
And the thermal output on the new battery architecture is optimal.
La producción de hoy superó las expectativas.
Sí, y la nueva línea está funcionando perfectamente. El equipo hizo un gran trabajo esta noche.
Driven by passion. Built for the future.
The alignment on the new model is perfect.
We should monitor the next few units closely.
All right, keep it slow up the ramp, stop at the yellow line, and wait for the signal from the deckhand.
Look at that view. It's absolutely breathtaking out here, isn't it?
Can we go swimming tomorrow?
जिंदगी कितनी खूबसूरत है.
Yes, especially in this car.
The integration here is seamless. The airflow around the arch is exactly what we projected.
Agreed. The efficiency metrics are holding steady.
Chassis moving to Station 4. Check the silver unit. Ensure the paint finish is flawless before release.
So,
This layout modification on the blueprint has significantly improved throughput.
Indeed, the automated guided vehicles are moving.
The recycling system is fully optimized now. Look at the water savings graph.
And the emissions are negligible. This quarter looks very promising.
The water recycling rate is holding steady at 95%.
And the energy consumption is down by
If we rotate the model, you can see the new aerodynamics inspired by the Paris concept.
I agree, and the material boards from Milan.
Look at the precision on that weld. The thermal stabilizers are holding steady.
Calibration looks good. We are ready for the assembly sequence.
Calibration sequence initiated. Dekho, the arms calibrate kar rahe hain.
Precision is within tolerance. The welding sparks look stable.
तो यहाँ देखिए, assembly practice के लिए VR simulators best हैं. ये process flow follow कीजिए.
The calibration is crucial before integration.
So we use the specialized torque wrench here.
That's correct. Ensure the connection is secure.
Your eye protection is compliant, but let's review the glove specifications. Also, make sure the path to the fire system remains clear.
The open pore walnut pairs beautifully with the deep burgundy. See how the stitching detail comes alive on the screen?
That is stunning. Can we see the monogram on the headrest?
The fire system inspection tag is current. Verify the training records for the pallet jack operators.
Already done. All certifications are up to date.
Production data looks good. AI stabilizing the assembly line.
Yes, and real-time tracking shows the shipment is on schedule.
The cross-stitching really highlights the contours of the seat.
It looks perfect. Now let's finalize the wheel design. I prefer the turbine style.
हम bespoke interiors install कर रहे हैं. हर detail को carefully place किया जा रहा है. Custom interiors install कर रहे हैं. Personalized nameplate कार पर mount की जा रही है.
The test results are exceeding expectations, sir.
Excellent work, team. This is exactly the luxury standard we aim for. I approve.
The test results confirm the performance metrics across all parameters.
This meets our standards. Prepare the final documents for signing.
The performance upgrades here
Are absolutely staggering.
We've pushed the boundaries on the battery architecture, allowing for that zero.
This is the future of the automotive industry. The build quality and the sustainable materials they've used set a new benchmark for the sector.
The aerodynamic principles they were experimenting with here were revolutionary for the time. Look at how the chassis is integrated.
Precision is paramount. Our engineers ensure every panel meets the highest standards before moving to the next stage.
We have a gap of 0.07.
Make the micro adjustment now. Yes, that is perfectly flush.
Look at the fluctuation here on the rear axle sensor.
I see it. It correlates with the engine speed increase.
Look at the spike at 3 kilohertz on the passenger side. Yes, noted. We need to isolate that frequency.
The sunroof seal is holding up perfectly.
Confirmed. No ingress on the passenger side either.
Look at the A-pillar seal near the windshield.
I see it. The tablet shows a pressure drop right there.
Traction control engaged perfectly. The results are consistent.
Confirmed. Brake pressure was optimal throughout the sequence.
The dampening response on the cobblestone is exceptional.
Confirmed. Data logs show minimal vibration transfer.
Checklist confirmed. All guards installed.
Verified. Ready for shipment zone.